Hi guys, this is Irina from CF Power Scripts. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable right to left layout in your funnel in ClickFunnels. So you can create your funnels in any language. ClickFunnels doesn't offer that possibility by default and recommends using custom code. Well, it's easy when you can write custom code, otherwise you unfortunately need to hire somebody. But in this video, I'm gonna show you an easy way how you can enable right to left layout in your ClickFunnels funnels that doesn't require spending money or having technical skills. And of course, we will use CF Power Scripts for that. First step, you need to log in into your CF Power Scripts account. If you've just created an account, there are still a few steps you need to do before we can start working on the layout for your funnels, and you can just follow the video and connect your ClickFunnels account to CF Power Scripts. After you've done that, we can proceed with the right to left layout script. For that, go to Power Scripts. If all your funnels have right to left layout, then you can add this script globally to all the funnels. If not, choose a specific funnel where you want to add this script. I will go ahead with our demo funnel and add the script to a specific page where I can show you exactly how the script works. I want to add the script to our two-step order form. For that, I choose this step and then I click Add New and look for CF Translate script. That's the name of the script that will help you to enable right to left layout. It's important to mention that this script is available on our free plan. That means not only don't you require tech skills to use the right to left layout on your ClickFunnels funnels, but you also don't have to pay for that. All you need to do on this page is to choose yes from the drop-down and also add the translation in the fields. I know that you might be looking for just right to left layout, but this script requires also the translations of the field. And I assume if you're looking for RTL layout, then you're using not English but another language, and your users also will benefit from translating that field, because those are the fields that cannot be modified within the ClickFunnels page editor. I will quickly add the translation and fast forward the video. After you add the translation, simply click the button Add Script. That's it, that's all you need to do to add right to left layout to your funnels and also translate the fields that cannot be translated within the ClickFunnels page editor. Let's check how it works on the page. For that, you can just click the icon next to the name of the page and choose Open Preview Funnels tab. As you may notice, the translation that we added on the setting page for the script is here. Here we see German text instead of English, and also the layout changes from left to right to right to left. When a user loads the page, they unfortunately will briefly see the English default text that is default in ClickFunnels, and there is no way to change that. But it's just for a brief moment. But after that, they will see the translation that you added, and also the text will be in the right to left layout. That's how easy you can add the right to left layout to your funnels built in ClickFunnels using CF Power Scripts. The CF Translate script is one of the big amount of scripts that CF Power Scripts has to offer. You can just browse around and see which scripts you could use on your funnels and your users would benefit from. The best thing, a lot of them are available already on the free plan, so you don't have to pay anything to use them. I hope that video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments down below. See you in our next videos.